Now let's explore the decision coverage, which is also known as branch coverage, and which is a testing method aimed at ensuring that each possible branches for each decision point in the code is executed at least once. So how does decision coverage differ from condition coverage? So while condition coverage focus on ensuring that each Boolean expression within a decision is evaluated to both true and false. Okay, and decision coverage ensure that each possible branch or decision's outcome is executed at least once. In other words, decision coverage verifies that all the branches in the code are taken, and regardless of the specific value of the conditions. So consider the following example which is given in your slide. Okay, so in this code we have a two decision point. The first one is the decision point at the if statement a plus b greater than 10, and the second one is the decision point at the if statement a is greater than 5. Okay, now here you can see to achieve 100% decision coverage we need to ensure that each possible outcomes of this decision point is executed at least once. So how do we calculate decision coverage for this example? Okay, so decision coverage is calculated by finding the minimum number of path that ensures the coverage of all branches. Okay, and in this case there are two decision points, and each decision has a two possible outcomes, true and false. Hence there are total four possible paths. Okay, which is given in your slide as you can see. Okay, so to achieve 100% decision coverage we need to cover all the four possible paths. Okay, and achieving 100% decision coverage ensures that all the possible branches in the code have been executed at least once, and reducing the risk of undetected defects and abnormal behavior in the applications.